How to reset team on FPL. So in order to reset team on FPL, firstly go to your browser and log into fantasypremierleague.com. And after that, go to home page and from here select transfers. And there are a few things to consider before resetting team on FPL. If you're doing this before the beginning of the season or before starting the game week first, you will be able to get unlimited transfers and points will not be deducted, so that you will be able to change or reset the whole team. And in order to reset, simply click on trust and you can add players from select replacement and pick the players according to your budget and make sure that the squad is fitted below £100 and select make transfers. But if you're doing after the game week 1, you will not be able to do this on free and points will be deducted from your team. So it is almost impossible for you to reset team after the beginning of Premier League or after the game week first starts. So the only option of resetting your team after the game week starts is simply by deleting your Premier League account. And you can do that by going to users.fantasypremierleague.com. From here, click on Manage Profile, scroll it down, and tap on Delete Your Account option. From here, enter your password and click on Confirm, and your account will be deleted after 21 days. And the next time to change or reset your team on Fantasy Premier League is when you have wildcard available. By using wildcard, you will be able to make unlimited changes and you will be able to change or reset your whole squad without having due points on your account.